now we are heading to the biggest elections, general elections. So as we all know, the Modi-led government is diverting us from the main motto, like main issues like unemployment. Like this time there are more than 1.8 crore youths, like youngsters, first time voters are voting this general elections. So we want them to remind that what we are seeing now is not the real motto, but the real motto is unemployment that we are facing. We are doing this campaign called अब युवा देगा जवाब. मोदी सरकार से बहुत मांग लिया हिसाब, अब युवा देगा जवाब. In this we are going to campus wise and we are distributing these pamphlets to students and we are asking them like, did you get this 15 lakh amount promised in your account, or did you get those 2 crore jobs that were promised by Modi government during 2014 elections?
We'll go to colleges to ask them whether they've got jobs, if the quality of education is improved, is the price of essential items reduced, all these specific questions which the Modi government came with the promises. The other main issue that we see is every day we see our leader talking about a suit boot ki sarkar. So suit boot ki sarkar for a Rafale deal, not only with the Rafale deal, this has also influenced in the education system of the country. After the movement we had the Behtar Bharat, wherein the Congress party has ensured that they are promising a student rights commission for the country, equal education opportunity, quality jobs, and there will be no corruption in exams. These are the 4 promises that the Congress party has given. And one thing that we want to tell the students of Goa is, you may like the Congress party, you may hate the Congress party, but what we ask is a person who is asking, who is talking about student issues and who has a narrative for the future, vote for such a person.